Hey guys, welcome back to Amazing Animals. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 10 amazing animal facts that will surprise you. So make sure you stay tuned until the end so you don't miss any. When cats meow, they are talking to humans, not other cats. Octopus have 3 hearts, 9 brains, and blue blood. Penguins propose to each other with rocks or pebbles. Snails can sleep for up to 3 years at a time. There are 1 million ants for every 1 human in the world. Dogs' sense of smell is 100,000 times stronger than humans, but they only have 1/6 our number of taste buds. You might have thought that polar bears had white fur, but they actually have clear fur and black skin. Flamingos can only eat when their heads are upside down. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. Narwhal's horns are really an inside-out tooth. If you like this video and want to see more just like it, make sure you click the like button and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what was your favorite fact?